po kabalin, kumusta kayo po na ako Louis Season.
Marco Nanan, and we're in Pampanga.
Guys, ngayon po nga doon ngayon may invite kami kayo first ever coffee shop kayo Angeles City. Apin ining NorthernBrew Coffee Shop.
Yes.
So, located dyan po ini kayo Villa Angela. Yung pinaka-landmark na guys is itang Gate 1. So, coming from Villa Angelas Gate 1, itang first establishment na akin kayo ni apin po ini NorthernBrew. NorthernBrew has been serving breakfast meals for a long time. And then, buri nila pong pakilala pasibay kaya kayo rin karelang breakfast meals. There you go. Mga tana. Before we start, a quick rundown of the names as well as nanularetang included ketang meal. So this is the NorthernBrew favorite breakfast platter. It has bacon, sausage, egg, and siyempre retang mapang-rice yan na sila. Okay, but next is breakfast sausage. It has sausage, egg, and rice. And then third, sunny Salisbury steak. There you go. So, retang heavy breakfast persons na siguro apin din nitang bigyan nyo kasi rice meals lang. So, reta naman medyo, beaming breakfast. Retang light meals lang rin banat na mga yan. Sining karelang morning starter. So, you have hash brown, you have your ham, your egg, mango with the yogurt. Ne? And then next guys is ining karelang NB brekkie. The raisin toast, your sausage, your mushroom, and egg. Metong dang buridang patakam kaya katam. Ining karelang pagmaragol. Metong ya po kareng icon dishes na ning NorthernBrew. Apin ini pasta angeleño. Ayan, no? Check that out. Apin na talaga ining full meal damo naman for the breakfast is waffle. So yan, it has nuts, banana, butter, and chocolate and whipped cream. So retang morning person na sweets la rin pantonanda. That's gonna be your order here. What is a cafe without coffee? So, available na po kayo na rin karelang fraps. Iniing lava java. And then the other one is Northern Frappe. And then, atin lang milk tea version kayo ni. So, iniing karelang green tea plus salted cream cheese.
With
Matcha powder. And then, black tea. Salted cream cheese. Ang po yung karelang dark chocolate powder. And then, the last one is coffee jelly tea. Yeah, so one of their best sellers, Pin Kanogeni, and then it has coffee jelly. And then lastly guys, check that out. This is an amazing cheesecake. Okay. So again, itong first question ko guys, if you're in my position, which one are you gonna go first? With Akabalene, once again, thank you for being with us. We'd also like to thank NorthernBrew for inviting us. Ma'am Paulina, salamat po na. So, of course, the most exciting part is to taste test yan, di ba? Kamagtatakmadala rin eh. May pagkwentuhan tayo kayo na pong kita ka trivia kaya kayo guys. NorthernBrew started na nung year, ma'am?
Year 2000, yung starting NorthernBrew. So, 20 years na kami next year.
Next year, 20. Wow. Turning 20. I mean,
yes,
for an establishment to have that kind of age.
Exciting nga. Excited kami yung 20th May.
Okay.
Minisip na kami na nung nasa
Pakulo.
20
years ago, kanyang college days. Metong yung NorthernBrew, kareng itabin, minuna ka rin coffee shops. Potang mag-date ka, as in kayo ni medal. You go to a cafe. So, minuna po hindi kayo ni and then, NorthernBrew is itabin kasi minuna kayong north na north of Manila, makanya. Minuna cafe. Wow, okay. Kaya sinabi ko pinandin, dakala pa po kaya kayo ni breakfast meals na. So, you have sausages, takman kayo nila yung mga manggang. Kaya kayo. Nanong house doon? Karang sausage sa mga
Sausages or chomps?
Champs. Okay, ba't natin niya pong mushroom there, so? Okay, mushroom. So, ining plate ni guys was formulated early days na yung kanyang mag-umpisa when the time itang city tourism ng Angeles requested NorthernBrew to come up with the heritage dish or iconic dish for Angeles, mga yan. Although, siyempre, kaya katamo, kay Pampanga, Aliyah native ring seafood, mga yan. So, this is pasta alige, and they call it pasta Angeles.
Yes, pasta Angeles.
Okay. Snap, tatanong kaya pa mo, nanay ka bang ulo? Nanay ka bang ulo?
Apan yun yung kay bestseller, may karang pasta.
Okay. So, aside from this pasta Angelenyo, ma'am, nanalo pang din ang pasta tama yan eh.
Atin kami rin, dada meatball spaghetti, pasta, angel hair, puttanesca, and then atin kaming berrequeros, penne Italia. So, madakal pasta, candies. And then, we also have crepes and waffles, sandwiches. Very wide-ranging menu. Marakal lang pwedeng i-try. Nung atin lang specific na puring diet or kay for sure atin na laman.
Aside from, kasi makaserve tayo mga ni ma'am, halos American style breakfast lang. Do you also have Filipino? Ayan.
As of now, ala kaming Filipino menu. Pero ating waffles, and then ating kaming bacon, then chomps.
Ito, siguro, we're just gonna keep the video running, pero ngayon pa mo ma'am, please invite our viewers to come and check on her.
Hoping na makapag-visit kayo po kaning Northern Brew. We're located in Villa Angela. It's Monday to Thursday, 9 a.m. hanggang kaming 11 p.m. Kapag Friday and Saturday, 9 a.m. hanggang kaming midnight.
Okay.
Yung Sunday ni naman, 9 a.m. hanggang 12, and then 5 p.m. hanggang 11.
Medyo broken yung Sunday tama na. Well, thank you so much po ulit Ma'am Paulina.
Thank you.
So guys, if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share this with your friends na kaya kayong family. And also, if you like to discover more places here in Pampanga, please visit weareinpampanga.com or download our app na available on iOS and Play Store. So guys, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye. Makan kami pa.